everybody. This is my unboxing for Universal Yums. This is for June, I think. Yeah, this is for June. This is the smaller box. It's called the Yum box. They also have a bigger box. It has about twice this much stuff. They call it the Yum Yum box, and that one's $20. This one is $13. So for this month, well, for June, we're already in July, the country is Mexico, and when you open it up, you've got your card and tissue paper that looks like the Mexican flag. And I already opened this, so it's not a surprise to me. So first thing, we've got some potato chips. Sabritas, which looks like Lay's, and the flavor is adobada. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just butchering it. Inspired by a Mexican dish made of pork, vinegar, red chili sauce, and oregano. Now, I personally am not a huge fan of spicy stuff. I like a little bit of spice, but I don't like my mouth to be on fire. So we'll see. Oh, there's like a little prize. That makes me wonder how old these chips are. It's a little card of the Avengers. What's the expiration date on these? Oh, September 20th, 2015. Okay, so we're good. They smell good. They don't smell like really spicy. Let's see. They're definitely vinegary. They've got a little bit of kick. But they're not hot. Okay. That's definitely a different flavor for potato chip. But I like it because it's not like spicy, burn my mouth hot. Okay, next, Pulparindo hot and salted tamarind pulp candy. So we're just gonna skip right over that because it says that it's hot. Gloria's Dulce de Leche. It feels really squishy. Made from goat's milk and pecans. It's sticky and soft, and I probably shouldn't eat it because of my braces. But it's really tempting. Why the hell not? You only live once. YOLO! It is very soft, that's for sure. So that's what it looks like. Smells alright. Oh, it's very gooey in the center. That's really good. Very milky. Of course, it's called dulce de leche. Leche means milk. Duh. Not bad. It's not super sweet. It's more milky than sweet. And another sweet treat. This is it's marzipan. Okay. Marzipan is made from almonds, and this is marzipan, which is made with peanuts. And you know, I've actually seen these in like Mexican grocery stores, because there's a place that I go to that has it's like a grocery store and a restaurant kind of. And I've seen these, but I've never tried them. Oh. Mmm. Wow. That's really good. It's softer and crumblier than I would have thought. It's definitely peanutty. It's kind of like a harder peanut butter. It's very sweet though. Whew. Oh my. And then of course you got chicle. You gotta have chicle. Never heard of that brand, but yeah. Chicle. And then of course Takis, which you can get it free in 7-Eleven, but whatever. These are mini Takis. And the flavor is fuego, which means fire, which means I'm not going to eat them. Because, no. Yeah, and the card says, of course, we picked the spiciest flavor out there for you to try. You're welcome. Gee, thanks. But no thanks. And these actually sound pretty good. The brand is called Cranky. And they're chocolate covered cornflakes. And I think I'm going to try them later. Because that peanut thing is like really sweet. I don't know if I can handle any more sweet right now. Because I might get the diabetes. Bubulubu, strawberry flavored jelly and marshmallow with chocolate flavored coating. Not a chocolate coating, a chocolate flavored coating. And they recommend that you stick it in the freezer. Okay, well we'll do that and we'll try it at a different time. It seems like there's a lot of sweet things in here. And last but not least is a mango lollipop that is covered in chili powder. I don't know if I want to try it. Oh, fuck. It's gonna be hot. I'll try it. Why not? So there's all the chili powder crap on it. Ew. Oh, it's really hard. So don't bite into it. Yeah, that's pretty disgusting. Oh my god. No thank you, that's going in the garbage. That's disgusting. But everything else is probably really good. So, yeah, Universal Yums. Oh, it does have the label on there. Yeah, Universal Yums. It's a really cool box. I've had it for a few months. This is the June box, Mexico box. It's actually my last box. I have subscribed to them since they first started, which was in December. And I do have that video up, and I feel like I have crumbs in my lipstick. There we go. The first box was Germany, and it was really awesome. And I got the big box. I eventually had to downgrade to the smaller box because I just couldn't eat all the snacks, and Bobby wasn't helping me eat them. So, went to a smaller box. And so this was my last box, not because I don't like the company or the products, but I just have so many different snacks that they're sitting in a box over there on the kitchen counter, being uneaten, which is not good. So I will probably join back up with them again in the near future, but I just needed a break for now. But I would definitely recommend them if you are interested in snack foods from around the world. I think July's box is going to be Japan, and so I'm really pissed that I discontinued my subscription, because you know that there's going to be some crazy shit coming from Japan. They eat some weird stuff, but also some good stuff. So anyways, so that's my unboxing. This is going to be the last unboxing for Universal Yums for a while anyways. So I hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.